My name is Sadie, and in this presentation, I will be analyzing the spiral of silence theory. This theory states the media will cover majority views over minority views, and because of the media's influence over the public, those holding a minority view are less likely to voice their opinion, creating a spiral of silence. The theory suggests that the media covers majority views over minority views due to this effect. Elizabeth Noel Newman studied the media's influence on public opinion since the 1930s, then developed this theory in 1970. The theory comes from a positivistic or empirical approach, and the goal is to predict whether or not an individual will publicly voice their opinion on an issue. The spiral of silence theory continues to be used mainly through social networking sites, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. A recent study found that perceived hostile opinion climate on Facebook would lead to a spiral of silence for those holding a minority view. However, this was also compared to Facebook users' partisan strength. People with a weak or moderate level of partisan strength were less likely to express their minority views, which also decreased their political participation in real life. This was not the case for those who had a high level of partisan strength. They would still continue to express their opinions online as well as participate in political events in real life. The main strength of this theory is found in heroism. It has continued to develop discussion and scholarly dialogue. The main weakness is logical consistency. For instance, Charles Salmon and Gerald Klein claimed this theory doesn't consider a person's ego and the influence ego has on whether or not an individual will voice their opinion. Improvements I would suggest would be first to conduct more research through experiments. Most of the current research is through opinion polls and questionnaires. I believe direct observation of behaviors could lead to further insight and expansion to this theory. Second, I would suggest a new element, since discussions around social issues are found a lot online these days. Social networking sites provide a sense of anonymity. An anonymous online climate can affect whether an individual will express a minority opinion they hold. In conclusion, the spiral of silence theory was developed by Elizabeth Noel Newman. The theory is focused around the media's influence over public opinion and provides further insight as to why an individual may not express a minority view they hold. Also discuss the strengths in heroism and the weakness in logical consistency. The theory continues to expand its research through social networking sites, and I believe the theory can be improved through experimentation and new elements such as anonymity. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it.